Today I'm going to demonstrate making sugar syrup for feeding honeybees. At this time of year, spring, early summer, generally we'd feed a 1-to-1 ratio. And in this instance, we've got 2 litres of water and 2 kilograms of sugar. You'll need a bowl for mixing and a container to take the syrup. Ideally, you would use warm water as this helps the sugar dissolve, but never boil the syrup as this can change the properties and that makes it more difficult for the bees to digest. At this time of year, feeding a 1-to-1 ratio syrup can help in establishing new colonies and splits, drawing comb, and also feeding during a dearth. First of all, I'm going to start by pouring half of the volume of sugar in the bowl. And then I'll pour half the volume of the water. And I'll stir this until it's mostly dissolved, and then I'll add the second part. So I'll complete the mix by adding the second half of the sugar and the rest of the water. And I'll continue to stir until the sugar's fully dissolved. Please remember to sign up to BeeBase and be aware of our starvation alerts that you will receive either via email or follow our social media channels. Now the sugar's fully dissolved, I'll pour this into my container and it's ready to go off to the hive. Thanks for watching, and please follow our social media channels for more content.